Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a wash day with Briogeo. This was my first time using products from this brand, so this is also my first impressions of the brand as well. Super excited to try these products because I heard so many amazing things about them, so I was like, let me give them the test. Let's see if they really work. Let's see if the hype is really real. Let's see if the girl's been telling the truth. Okay, so that's what we're doing in today's video. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We are on the road to 7K. Yes, that is 7,000 subscribers. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, opinions, questions, or anything else that may be on your mind after watching this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wash day. So I'm starting off on old crusty dry hair. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my hair is well moisturized with water. In case you guys may or may not know, water, yes, H2O, is the hair's favorite source of moisturization. The hair's most needed source of moisturization is water. So before you start off with any wash day, you want to make sure that your hair is sufficiently moisturized with water. In case you guys may or may not know, I have type 4 low porosity hair, and in general my hair is just super thick. Okay, so it takes a while for me to make sure that my hair is well moisturized. You want to make sure that the water seeps in and gets all between your hair. You don't just want to make sure that the perimeter and the circumference of your head is moisturized. You want to make sure that the water gets all up in there. Okay, so I'm sectioning my hair and making sure that every section of my hair is sufficiently wet, because that way you know you're going to get a better wash day, because since your hair is moisturized and wet, it'll be able to reap and just receive all of the benefits of the products you're going to use. So after I wet my hair, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into quads, because I find that wash day is easier. My hair doesn't get as tangled when I separate my hair into quads. One of my subbies actually put me onto this, so if you're watching this video, shout out to you. And I'm just gonna clip my hair up using these alligator clips that I got from Amazon. If you guys are interested in these clips, they will be linked down below. So the first product I'm going to use is Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro-exfoliating Scalp Scrub Shampoo. Wow, mouthful. But this shampoo was different for me because I've never used like a charcoal shampoo in my hair, but I was like, okay, you know, there's a first time for everything, so let's go ahead and see what she does and what she got to offer. Okay, so I went ahead and took the shampoo and applied it to the root of the first quad, and then I went ahead and worked that shampoo throughout the strands of my hair. So just to give you guys some details on this product is good for all hair types. Well, claims to be good for all hair types: straight, wavy, curly, coil, and tightly coiled. It's also formulated with a unique charcoal and coconut oil infused scalp shampoo that detoxifies, exfoliates, soothes, and balances the scalp for optimal scalp health. And as you guys may or may not know, healthy hair starts with the healthy scalp. Okay, so we all out here, like, you know, goals. We want waist length hair, we want thick hair, we want volume, we want this, we want that. We need to make sure that we're starting off by taking care of our scalp. I got these products that I'm using today, the shampoo and the deep conditioner, in the birthday set from Sephora. It was one of the options, just, you know, a cute little duo shampoo and deep conditioner. And I was like, let me go ahead and try this out because the girls have been raving about it. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the shampoo to each quad of my hair and rinsed it out. And of course, I lost the clip when I was rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. But this shampoo had my hair feeling amazing. My hair was nice and moisturized. My hair was nice and soft. It didn't strip my hair of its natural nutrients. Y'all know I live for a shampoo that not only cleanses my hair but also moisturizes my hair, and I definitely feel like I got that from this shampoo. So I really loved it. It did such a great job. My hair really felt amazing given that it was super dry at the beginning of this video, so I would highly recommend this shampoo. So after I shampooed my hair, I went in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. And this is a product that the girls have been raving about, okay? The girls been talking about the shampoo, but the deep conditioner, people made it seem like this is the sugar honey iced tea of deep conditioners. So I went ahead and tried it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner throughout my hair. Just so you guys know, I ended up using the whole, like, little sample that I had in my hair, just to give you guys a scale of how much product I had to use in my hair. But just to give you guys more details on this product claims to be great for all hair types. Once again, straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled. This product is also described as an intense weekly treatment to restore essential hydration and enhance hair's resilience and strength. So the key benefits of this deep conditioner is that it claims to restore moisture, create vibrancy, and prevent future damage. This deep conditioner is also formulated with no silicones, no DEA, no artificial dyes. It's also cruelty-free, color-safe, and safe for use on chemically treated, relaxed, and keratin-treated hair. So after I applied a deep conditioner throughout my hair, I went ahead and detangled my hair using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. In case you guys don't know, this brush is Black owned and it's also in my Amazon store, so I'll go ahead and link it down below. But you guys, this deep conditioner felt amazing on my hair. Okay, once I put it in, I seen the curls pop in. My hair felt nice and soft. My hair felt nice and moisturized. So detangling was also a breeze because I feel like it also like softened my hair. But this deep conditioner, the girls, I feel like they weren't lying. They, you know, they hyped it up for a reason. So I really enjoyed this deep conditioner. I already went ahead and ordered the full size of this deep conditioner, so that's how y'all know that I really loved it. And I got the one with the pump. I got the big John. Okay, so everything will be linked down below. But after I detangled my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, I went ahead and clipped my hair up and left the deep conditioner in my hair for 20 minutes. So I just went ahead, combed my hair into like a little ponytail action, clipped it up using my alligator clip that I got from Amazon. Once again, it'll be linked down below. And after 20 minutes, I came back to rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair. This deep conditioner, y'all, like I didn't apply heat to it, and I feel like I had the benefits as if I had applied heat to it, if that makes sense. So I just went ahead and rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair. But that was basically it for today's wash day. Nice and sweet, got the job done. As you guys saw, my hair was dry at the beginning of this video, but with the help of the Briogeo shampoo and conditioner, your girl got her strands together. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this was my first time using products from the Briogeo's brand, so this was also a first impressions of the brand. So I just really quickly wanted to run through my thoughts and opinions using these products and this brand for the first time. So first of all, I wanted to re-mention and re-emphasize that these products are vegan and cruelty free, and they're also formulated with no silicones, no DEA, and no synthetic dyes. As you guys may or may not know, I'm making more of an honest effort now on clean beauty, clean lifestyle. So the fact that these products were vegan were right up the alley of that transition I'm trying to make in my life. And I know a lot of people are also focused on clean beauty right now, so that was a plus of using these products. Also, I did want to mention that these products didn't really have a strong fragrance. The charcoal mask, you know, it had a little like natural, I guess you can say, scent to it, and the deep conditioner it reminded me of like a salon scent. But either way, neither of them had strong scent. So if you are worried about fragrance, if you are worried about the scent of these products, then I feel like they don't really have a strong scent. I did mention that I have the samples of these products, which is what I use. I did go ahead and purchase the full size of the shampoo, and I purchased the huge size of the deep conditioner with the pump because I feel like these are going to be my go-tos. In case you guys may or may not know, I have been using protective styles in my hair for the last couple of months, which I do plan on continuing to do. You guys will see why in a video that's coming real soon. But I did go ahead and purchase a full size, and I do plan on using them on my wash days in between my protective styles. But that is my honest thoughts and opinions on the products used in today's video, as well as the Briogeo brands. Comment down below and let me know if you guys use this brand before and what your thoughts and opinions on this brand are. But that's all for today's video. Before you head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and do not forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions, or anything else that may be on your minds. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Love you.